All right, we're back for the third step now, and we're at the jointer, the 8-inch jointer, and what we need to do is we need to create a reference face and a reference edge. So the first thing to do is to figure out on both of your boards, first of all, that there's enough room for the cutter to be able to be cut by the cutter head. And the next thing we want to do is figure out which is the least wobbly face on our board, okay? So we do the wobble test, and in this case here, this is our least wobbly side. So I'm going to take some chalk like so. You can use a pencil, but this will help you understand what I'm trying to do here. So I am drawing right around the edges, and when things are going well, all that chalk should tell us to stop cutting. So I'm ready to cut, and I've got none of my clothes are dangling, and I've got because we're doing a face pass and we're below the top of the fence, we always need to have a face pass push stick. And we've got our little piece of wood on the back, and in this case, because our piece is pretty long, we've got an extra push stick at the front to create extra pressure. So I'm ready to go, and I got a hand on the front, hand on the back, and I'm going to push and have consistent pressure as I go through it, and making sure I move my feet. Make sure you push it past the guards. The guard retracts. That's its job. And then what we're going to do is put our push sticks down, and we're going to have a look to see. In my case, I kind of got lucky that in one pass, all of the chalk marks are gone. But the next step I want to do is make sure that I put it down on the surface and check to feel if there's any wobble. The other thing you can do as well, just to remind you, is that we're looking at making sure that there is everything is nice and tight around the edges. Okay, so in that case it's wobbly, it's good to go. And next thing job is to do is to write with marker that we're going to write a reference face. All right, and that's our reference pass. And next step will be over to the other jointer to do the reference edge. Stand by.